best forex trading platforms in 2021. So in this video I'll be sharing with you the best forex trading platforms in 2021. Make sure to watch the video from start to finish because we are going to go from the secure and fast, trusted by CIA, and all the necessary things that you need to begin your forex trading in 2021. So let's get started. The first one is IG.com. IG is one of the best forex trading platforms in 2021 and moving beyond. So let's just go through how IG trading platform works. And even if you are new to forex trading, IG trading platform is for you. It's the best suite for you. And guys, even if you search on Google first page, IG trading platform will be the first forex trading platform to pop up on the first ranked. So let's read through. I'll just share with you the website, how they work, and customer care and all the things. We have 9 of them that I'll be sharing with you in the video, and how you can scale your forex trading business online. So let's read through their portfolio. And guys, the reason why I'm sharing with you this website is because they are the best and trusted. They have been featured by Forbes, Business Insider, Daily Guide. So these people are very trusted. I see some of the trading platforms that you will be trading and you think whether, oh, am I going to lose my money? Will they be there tomorrow? So these kind of businesses are billion-dollar businesses. They have been funded and raised by the government. So it's not easy for them to fail you. So if you are interested and you want a legit way to trade your forex in 2021, make sure to use IG trading as the world's most traded financial market. So IG is the world's most traded financial market, foreign exchange, present of wealth opportunities for those who can harness it, inherit volatility. Open a forex trading account and use our award-winning platform to take advantage of movement and currency price. Guys, so this is it. If you are interested, or you are newbie, you are expert, and you really want to start to double your forex trading investment in 2021-2022, make sure to use IG forex trading because it's trusted and it's the best way. And guys, they also have trading platforms like mobile trading platforms. So if you don't have PC, or you are always on work basis, you are traveling, you can use your Android phone. And trading signals, guys, they will also share with you trading signals, trading allies, because they have the vast majority of information. They can just share with you what is going to make you profit, how are you going to double your income. And they have algorithmic trading. They will also share with you APS. Those who know forex trading will really tell you that all the things I'm mentioning with you, they are very important. So even if you are new to forex trading, they also have managing your risks, trade analysis tool, news and trade ideas, strategy planning, financial event, glossary of trading terms. So they will teach you all these things for free if you just go to IG.com. I'll leave all the website that I'm sharing with you in this video in the link down below this YouTube video. So guys, if you like the video, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel if you are new for more videos like this, because I share you how to video. I share 2 videos each and every day showing you how to increase your online money or create a financial freedom online. So guys, if you are interested and you are going to use IG.com as your forex trading platform, then just go to IG.com and click on the create live account. So I will tell you that if you are new to forex trading, make sure to click on the create demo account. But if you are already expert, or you are intermediate or professional, you should use the create live account so that you can just begin your trading. But if you are new to forex trading, or you are like a beginner, you just want to learn things about forex trading in 2021 and beyond, then make sure to create a demo account. The demo account, they will give you money for you to start. So that's how it works. And we also have this thing, why people always choose IG. They have what do we call it, get an edge with an award-winning web-based platform and mobile app. Guys, The reason why I'm sharing with you all these things is because they have different kind of mobile trading platforms that you can utilize. You have vast majority of options to use from. Like when we come to Google, they have Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, and everything that you need. So IG.com is the best and the most ranked on forex marketing in 2021 and beyond. And they also have you can also practice trading with your demo account in an environment of with reduced risks. So if you are just new to online trading or like forex marketing, you want to start beginner mode, you can use their demo account to start, and you also get 24-hour support. Guys, this is the fastest way for you to start earning money with forex marketing, because they have 24-hour support. If you have any problem with their trading platform, you can just shoot them a message and they will be able to give you. You also get quick, easy access, and also they will share with you a bunch of information that you need to scale your forex marketing. And they have helped over 239,000 people online. They have over 239,000 people. So guys, if you are interested and you want to start trading in 2021 with forex marketing, make sure to create a demo account. If you are new, guys, I would recommend this for those who are new or brand new to forex marketing. And we have live account for experts, those who know the game, like those who have been in it for about 4 to 3 years or 2 years of experience. Then you should use the live account and get started. So the second one is Saxo Bank account. So it's Saxo Bank, home.saxo. I'll leave the links down below to all the best trading platforms for 2021. So let's see. They are also one of the best trading platforms and also award-winning platform. Access over 182 forex pair across major, minor, exotics, plus your spot mentors from 0.4 pips. Guys, if you know pips, that means the earning average. So if you are interested in creating starting your forex marketing, make sure to use Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank, I'll leave the link down below to all the websites that you need. Make sure to check whether the link is home.saxo/products/forex, because that's what we are using. They have products, platform, accounts, inspirations, about support, and for institution. So let's say if you are interested in starting a forex marketing business in 2021 or 2022, then you should create an account with Saxo Bank, because they have platforms like where you can utilize their pips, their informations, and start trading your online forex. You can also open a live account or try their demo account. It's like they also have 24 hours help. So even if you have problem with trading your they will give you a bunch of information. So look at it. British pound, sellers get 57% and buyers get 43%. It's down by 0.55%. Look at it. And the dollar is up by 0.01%. British pound /US dollar. So they will give you a bunch of information that you need to start your forex trading, and you can also get 24-hour expert service. They will share with you any problem that you have with your Saxo Bank trading platform. Then just shoot them and they will help you. They have won an award with Saxo Bank, European, and all the big companies in even HF have awarded them. And we are financially stable company with a robust balance sheet. We serve clients in over 170 countries, guys. So that means that's around the world, and 116 billion in AU process and transaction daily. Guys, imagine the kind of money. So they are also the award winning in 2018. They were the award winning in forex trading in 2018. You can get started by just open an account with them in just less than 5 minutes. So you can just click on the create an account, and you can create an account with Saxo Bank. Guys, it's easy to create an account with Saxo Bank. What you just need to do is enter your first name, last name. Make sure to always use your legit names. Make sure to always use your legit names. So you add your first name, last name, email address, and confirm your email, the country, and password. Read through their terms and conditions before you apply, guys. And after that, you just click on continue and you are done. So let's go to the third one, which is cmcmarkets.com. cmcmarkets.com. You can also start trading online with cmcmarket.com. They are also one of the best trading platforms in 2021. You can also become the trader you want to be with our next generation platform and personal client service. Start trading, try free rigs demo. So you can also get a free rigs demo. They have indices, forex pairs. So guys, they also trade cryptocurrency. So those who are interested in creating cryptocurrency, trading with cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and all the online currencies, then CMC Markets is the right option for you. And they are trusted by Forbes and New York Times, all the big companies. So they also have forex pairs, indices, cryptocurrency, commodities. So those who also trade commodities, you can use cmcmarkets.com. Shares and ETFs. So even ETFs and treasury bills. So they trade all of them, and award-winning 24-hour support. So guys, you get a 24-hour support from them, and also 30 years of experience. They started back in 1989, and they are still there. So they also have applications for Android phones that you can start using for new traders. So let's go through the complete package for experienced and new traders. For new traders in CMC Markets, one of the established industry leaders, 3 decades of trading know-how. So like they have 30 years of trading experience, award-winning customer service. So guys, if you are new to forex trading and you don't know how to go about it, you can just shoot them a problem and they will be able to help you. Highly regarded trading education, advanced risk management, tax-free spread betting profit, no minimum deposit. So guys, you can even deposit about $10 to $20 with them and start trading your forex. Award-winning trading platform for the experienced traders, experienced forex traders, fast automated execution, expert new and as analysis, competitive spread, advanced trading tools. You get tax-free betting profit. So let's go to the fourth one, which is Interactive Brokers. Interactivebrokers.com. I'll leave links to all the websites that I'm sharing with you guys. These are the trusted websites that I'm sharing with you. So if you are interested and you really want to start trading forex online, make sure to choose one from this. You select the one that you want from this video. Just select one of the trading platforms that I'm sharing with you. The Interactive Brokers they have over 135 markets. They are live in 33 countries and 23 currencies. So I'm sure they may be trading Bitcoin as well. So if you are interested in making money online with forex trading in 2021, make sure to start with Interactive Brokers. Look at them. Equality capital 8.5 billion, guys. Private held. They have a private held Bitcoin forex trading platform. Access regulatory clients account over 981,000 have clients and 1.83 million daily average traders. Imagine, guys. So if you are interested and you really want to start earning money with forex trading, make sure to choose from one of the brokers, the trusted brokers that we are sharing with you in this video. Individual accounts, joint account, retirement account, trust account, friends and family accounts, institutional accounts. So even if a bank is going to start a forex trading, you can use the Interactive Brokers First, you just have to complete your application, fund your account, and get started trading. They have education and service, trading, pricing, and why, all the necessary things that you need. So even if you are new to forex trading and you want to learn, you can just go to interactivebrokers.com. I'll leave their website link down below, and go to education, sign up for a free account, and just learn through. Let's go to the fifth one. The fifth one is T Damere, and I can't pronounce it, so but let's just say listen, TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade is the fifth one. So guys, I'm just going to brush through this one, and we also go to the sixth one, which is City Index. I hope some of you know it. Those who are professionals in forex trading, they know cityindex.co.uk. They are also one of the leading best trading platforms in 2021, and they have been trade over 12,000 markets. So if you are a professional trader or you are really interested, you are getting to start, they also have learning materials for you, and news and market news. So they will also share with you the trending news and how you can maximize it and start getting money with your forex trading. And guys, they trade indices, shares, cryptocurrencies, forex trading, and commodities. These are the things that you need for a best forex trading platforms in 2021. So this is it, guys. And they also have 24 hours 24 hours trading is help for you. Best Pro Trading Platform Awards in 2020. So they were the best trading platform in 2020, and also best spread betting provider shares awards in 2019. They also won award in 2020, best CFD provider in 2020, best mobile application online in 2019. So guys, these are the platforms that you need to start your forex trading. These are the best forex trading platforms in 2021. So they have indices, shares, forex, cryptocurrency, other markets, platform, and products that you need, and also training. So if you are new to forex trading, you can also use cityindex.co.uk to start your forex training. So let's go to the seventh one, which is xtb.com. xtb.com is also one of the best leading trading platforms for 2021, and they have vast majority of information for you. You can also learn to trade with xtb.com. Guys, the link is xtb.com. It's also one of the best forex trading platform or cryptocurrencies for 2021, guys. And look at Jose Mourinho. Those who like football or they are fan of football, Jose Mourinho have just commented with XTB Trading, which is one of the leading forex trading platform for 2021. When you trade with this thing, so maybe I know like some of the critics might say, but Jose Mourinho is also one of the coaches, the best coaches of our time, of the 21st century. So let's say they trade forex, indices, commodities, stocks, CFDs, and ETFs, and also Bitcoin. So those who are interested in trading Bitcoin, commodities, they will also share with you the times that you need, everything that you need to start your trading market. You will also get a demo account and a real account. So if you are new to forex trading, please use the demo account. But if you are expert or professional, use the live account. So let's say forex.com. Forex.com is also one of the best trading platforms in 2021, and it's been trusted by the big companies. Even like they have, like you can tell them about yourself, fund your account. You can just create an account. If you are new, just create an account, fund your account, and start trading. Or you can try a demo account with forex.com. So forex.com is also one of the best trading platforms for 2021. And let's go to the last one, which is eToro. So I always recommend eToro for Bitcoin. So if you are really interested in trading Bitcoins or forex or like CFD trading or cryptocurrency, stocks and ETFs, then make sure to use eToro. eToro is also one of the best trading platforms for you online, and they have 100% stock, zero commission, so you don't have to pay for any commission with your trading platforms. Thank you for watching my videos. Please, if you are new, subscribe, but if you are like my fan, make sure to like the video, comment down below and share it to your loved ones. Thanks for watching again. And there's accept Visa, there is PayPal, Skrill, NetTailor, WebMoney, Yandex. So all the currencies that you need, eToro got you covered. So make sure to choose from one of the best forex trading platforms in 2021. Thanks for watching and take care.